me, sir. This is Trevor Hubbs coming to you live from the AFI YouTube channel, interviewing witnesses of the storm. What happened?
Well, we were sitting here enjoying some tenderloins and some heart. Next thing I know, the wind said, "Raise hell, praise hell." See, we're in Tampa Park.
That'll happen.
Holy hell! We're still trying to get everything recovered and put it back together.
You stay safe, citizen. I'm off to interview more. Excuse me, citizen. What seems to have happened here?
Well, we got a little